Ikhomishana ifuna ukwazi ukuthi kungani uFani Masemola aboshwa kanye nabantu abasolwa ngenkohlakalo yethenda leMedicare 24 nakuba wayengabhekene necala lenkohlakalo kepha eleyamene nomthetho wokusetshenziswa kwemali yombuso iPFMA.
Why was this done? Why was Commissioner Masemola lumped with these people, charged with fraud and corruption when he is not? When he is charged with the statutory offenses provided for in the PFMA, why was he lumped with these people?
Ikhomishana isola ukuthi iIDEC yaphuma iqhubu noMasemola kulolu daba. uJohnson ukuphikile lokho.
At no stage did any of these cases start on the basis of wanting to target any individual, even those that I mentioned. We dealt with the investigations. In the course of these 2 days of engagements, and in the manner in which we have engaged, we would have to accept that we could have done things differently.
Ikhomishana iphakamise ukuthi ukuboshwa kaMasemola kwakunenhlese yokudicilela phansi isithunzi sakhe.
At face value, it seems to me that this must have been done to embarrass him, to taint him and to make the public or to cause the public to see him as also being complicit in fraud and corruption. People are not going to, ordinary members of the public are not going to analyze this. He stands there, people charged with corruption, fraud. He stands there with them. And most of the noise when the case is talked about is going to be about the fraud and corruption. People are not going to delineate and say, but not Masemola. Do you see what I mean?
uJohnson uvumile ukuthi laba khona iphutha ekutheni uMasemola aboshwe kanye nabantu abasolwa ngenkohlakalo, kodwa ke uthi kwangeyona inhloso yabo ukudicilela phansi isithunzi sakhe.
So General Masemola was wrongly lumped with these other people. You accept that?
I see that.
You certainly must.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.